Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be looking into the switch statements in Go language. So let's get started. So here is a syntax that we have for switch statement where we have to pass in the expression which will exhibit some value, and based on that value we will select the case that needs to be executed. Unlike other languages, we don't need the break statement in this case statement. So it will basically match the statement and only run that part. Also, default code block is not necessary. If you can put if you want to, in some languages it is necessary but not in case of Go. Here is example that we have day 4 going on, and then we have switch to day 4, and in case of 4 we are printing the Thursday, and as you can see there is no default case, and also there are no break statements. Multi-case switch statement is basically like we can match the case values, multiple case values with the same expression. So here we have values x and y. If any of this value matches with expression, then we will execute that code block. Here is example of it. Basically we are printing here if the number is odd or even, and we have num mod 2 in the switch case, which will basically return a switch 1, and it will go in the first case and it will print the odd number. Here there is some problem, maybe the console photo is not right. Yeah. Switch statement in Golang do not break the statement. The expression is evaluated once and the value of switch expression is compared with values of each case. If there is a match, the associated code block is executed. The default keyword is optional. It specifies some code to run when there no switch case match. In next video, we will be taking a look at the loops in Golang. Till then, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Go tutorial. Let me know in comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.